story about this shoes is that I really wanted to own this way back 5 years ago. That was like I was 25 at that time. It's orange and it's so pretty. This is size 3.5. So hello guys, welcome back for a new video. This is Hailey, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And today I'll be unboxing and reviewing sneakers from Adidas, and I have Adidas Superstar and Adidas NASA ZX 2K Boost, which is a running sneakers or like a gym shoes. Now without further ado, let's start this review. So this is a soft leather, this one here, but this one here is a I don't know if it's a leather, I'm not sure. I think it's not, because this is actually luminous. So if it's dark, let me turn the light off. Oh, I'm not sure. Look at this one here. So look at the sole, guys. Look at this, right? You can see it's lighting. Oh no, it's so cute, right? Can you see it? If you're walking in the dark, like you can see this one. But this one is actually luminous. How I don't know. I can see it on the camera, but this is actually a luminous. And I don't know if maybe it's not showing on the camera, but in person you can see it. It's lighting. So like the sole. Look at the sole. Like it's really nice. See, it looks like it's lighting, right? Compared to the forum is just black. Right, so look at this. See, this is like what makes this shoe special to me. And let me turn on the light again. So this one here on the this is a soft leather as well. Compared to the forum, it's cotton, black cotton, and this one is leather. So it doesn't get dirty easily compared to the other shoes. So perfect. I like the shoes. This is one of my favorite Adidas. So this is kind of off-white. You can see these three stripes here. You can see. So this is like the Adidas logo and the name. There's three stripes here. You can see Superstar, and look at this sole right here. So this is the rubber toe. So usually it's a soft leather like the forum, but this one is rubber toe. And look, can you see this laces here? It has an Adidas with a logo. Adidas with the logo. It's really nice. And look at the tongue of the shoes. So it has the Adidas that one. And this is the fun part of this, because the old Adidas or I think the old ones, or like the newer version, the old versions of this doesn't have this. This one is like the old logo of Adidas, and it has a thread on it. It's really cute. And this is a soft leather as well, and at the back you can see this Adidas here, and then the Adidas logo. So look at this on the bottom. Like you can see this, I don't know, how do you call it? This is not a silicone, it's a rubber, but it's kind of colorless, this one here. And the other one that I showed you earlier was black, right, from the forum. And this is like has the Adidas. Quick story about this shoes is that I really wanted to own this way back 5 years ago. That was like I was 25 at that time, and but unfortunately, I think it was the blue stripes here, and I think there's some gold details here, I think. Yeah, it was like really the shoes that I wanted to have. Unfortunately, because it was so famous at that time. But unfortunately, I don't have my size, because I'm size 4, and the smallest size that they have is size 6. So it's like, it's way too big for me, honestly. Even the shoes, I think it's still kind of big for me. So honestly, my size is just 3.5. It's that's honestly the at least I can wear. 3 or 3.5, but I can wear 4. I'm just gonna play it around, or maybe it can work because I'm a little bit taller now. Yeah, so I already like gave up, aiming having these shoes, and I don't want to own any Adidas Superstar sneaker. Voila. So I just like found this pair which like looks so classic and unique details, that the one that I showed you earlier, this one and the details, and I have the size 4, so why not, right? So it's like, oh no, this is the perfect timing that I'm gonna get the shoes, and luckily I got it. And I'm actually gonna rate these shoes like 10/10. Imagine after 5 years I just got these shoes, but it's not the exact design that I wanted before, but of course it has some renovations that I made. This one here, I'm not sure if this is plastic, I think this is rubber, but if you're gonna, I showed you earlier when I turned off the light, right? It's there's like some lighting, something like that. I know maybe it's luminous, but yeah, I think it's called luminous. And yeah, so after 5 years it had passed, like it just came to me unexpectedly. So I think there are some things that it's not meant to happen yet, but it will only happen in the right timing, or the perfect timing, right? Now moving on to the last sneaker, I'm gonna show you, hold on, let me grab the shoes first and I'll get back to you.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're on the last sneakers, and this is honestly my favorite. So this is a running shoes or gym shoes. So I have like both Nikes and Adidas sneakers or the running shoes, but I don't have any Nike sneakers because of my size. Like, girl, I'm size 4, so it's not available in the market out there. Even the Air Force, like I like Air Force, but it has a different style that I wanted to have. It's white and pink sneaker that I really like, but I don't have the size, so I just like give it up. I'm not gonna be looking for something that is not there, so let's just move on. This is the shoes. This is the Adidas NASA, still size 4. Yeah, so this is how the box looks like. Still size 4, so this is how the box looks like. And I'm gonna pull it here. So this is it. Look at this. And it's so pretty. This is size 3.5. So this is the smallest. I think there's also 3. No, sorry. I mean the smallest size that I got. So this is it. This is my favorite, honestly. Yeah, I can wear this one when I'm traveling with my friends, and it's so cute. Like, I really like it, honestly. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's orange and silver. Hold on, let me show you. This is like a silicone. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is a silicone rubber or something. This one here, and then orange, and then this is silver, a blue, like a protection. But I'm gonna show it to you a closer look. And the sole looks so clean, and the cushion. And let me show you closer look to this. So this is the closer look. So this is the silicone, the orange, and the silver shoes. Here's a protection to your feet. Like, it doesn't make the shoes easily destroyed or something, especially if you're moving to the gym running, because this is a running shoes. And especially in my lifestyle, I'm a active, fitness enthusiast, so I go to the gym 5 times a week, so I need this kind of shoes. But my gym shoes doesn't have this kind of feature, honestly, so it doesn't matter to me. It's not a big deal. And look at the tongue right here, and the other one has a different you can see this blue print, and this is the tongue of the other one, so they're gonna look different. Look at the tongue of this one here. This is the NASA. I think it's a NASA something. I think, yeah. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And like, oh my god, it's so pretty. And this one here, so this is gray. The stripes are gray. It's orange. It's very bright. Look at that. So this is the white, and look at this is the silver that I'm talking about. Yeah, the silver thing. Can you see it? Yeah. So it looks like a little back. I can see this logo right here. This is a, I'm not sure this is, I can't describe it. It's not leather, but this is another silicone here with a tag. And look at the lace. It's ZX, which is the model of the shoes, and it's blue and orange. So there's this here. This is a protection as well for the shoes, or for the shoes if you're running, if you're using this one to run or go to the gym every day. This is very perfect for you. But I have a different gym shoes though, and I think I prefer to use this one for travel. Like, let's say for example, if we're gonna go to Singapore with my friends.